Welcome back, guys. I'm Kings, and today we're gonna go assess the situation from last night, well, last video, when the transmission went on the truck. So we're gonna go assess that, probably start pulling it out. Gotta call the warranty company first, see what's going on with that, and yeah, so just play all the clips, I guess.
Alright guys, so as you seen if you watched the last video, we blew the transmission at on the Cummins at the rated R meet, and called Jasper, called the warranty company, and yeah, so here's where we're at now. They're gonna send us a new one. Gotta pull this one out, but as you can see, we got the drive shaft out. Just pulled out the cross member for transmission transfer case. We think the trans mount, that was that vibration we were getting. As you can see, it's rotted out. We think it was that. So, but yeah, we're about to pull this tranny out. I'll pull the transfer case out, and we're gonna see what it was. They're telling us that it sounds like an input shaft, so that might be it. So stay tuned and let's see what snapped. Well, we got the transfer case out, and there's a lot more room without that thing in here. But
oh yeah,
the splines for the output shaft look fine, so that's good. And yeah, all that's left now is to not do what we did last time and actually unbolt the torque converter first.
Oh yeah,
And
I had to sit under here and pull that, remember?
yeah, well,
Yeah, I made a mistake on it.
last time we pulled the trans out with the torque converter still bolted onto the flywheel.
Yeah,
And Grandpa was like, oh no, you're not supposed to do it that way.
definitely not.
No, because it was a bitch.
This time we do it right. Lee.
Yeah, but that's it.
What else?
And that's probably it for today. So
Yep, I'm gonna drain the
catch you at
return.
day
Gonna drain
2.
the return line.
catch you on day 2. All right, guys, day 2. We already got the starter out, and we're gonna crank the motor from the alternator to line up. I don't know if you guys can see that hole up there for the torque converter, the inspection hole. So we're gonna line that up.
We might have to switch if I get dizzy because I was doing a few shots blackberry brandy with your uncle. Gotta keep warm out here.
Yes, sir. All right, let's do this. He's gotta get the first one out. We already lined it up.
I think it's half inch, so we'll start and see if it is half inch socket.
Let me try to get it. That's the inspection hole right there. Shine the light up there, Dad.
Yeah.
Right there, where the light is, if you guys can see the hole. With the hole in it, that's the inspection hole. That's what we're trying to line up. How many torque converter bolts is it again? 6?
8.
Yeah, so I was like 6 or 8.
I think it's 8 on this one.
Yeah.
6 or 8.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'll get back to you guys when we get those bolts, and then we gotta do the transmission, the bell housing bolts. So yeah. All right. So we got all the torque converter bolts out. There was actually 6 instead of 8. So now we're setting up the Harbor Freight trans jack. Now we gotta do the bell housing bolts. We're gonna have to do this rocker soon. It's starting.
It's okay.
You love your ATS, don't you?
Hell yeah.
Fire plug all the way.
Look at this thing. It's only 2 years old. Looks brand new. Can return it and get my money back.
So we got the trans out and down, all the bolts out.
Look at this thing.
Yes.
That's it. One more manual, one more automatic, and then we're going manual swap.
The hole's gonna go right here.
Yeah, pretty much.
That'll be a video for the next 2 years.
Now's the time to do a fleece coolant bypass if you're into that.
Fuck that.
But, you know. So linkage.
Let's see, is this input shaft snap?
I don't know. Time to get it out of here, that's for sure.
Yeah. Should we call Andre again to help us lift it up? Remember he was here to help us the last one?
Andres, right?
Yeah.
Nah, he's banged up surgery, right?
Well, he went back to the gym already, so.
Did he?
Yeah,
No
he'll deadlift this himself.
Yeah. Okay. Governor, this has to get transferred over.
All right.
Okay.
About to get this thing in the backyard now. But that's really it for this. Next video will be the install.
Okay.
I want to see this torque converter.
Well, I gotta drain the torque converter.
Yeah, I know. Hit the hanger, the exhaust hanger.
Alright.
There you go. Alright, well, we'll catch you guys when we get this in the backyard, so. Let me see the light real quick. Shine it in there.
Oh, I gotta take the torque converter
Down
off.
here.
No,
Oh, I
that's
thought
not-
that was a piece of something.
No.
Shine right here?
No.
Whatever.
Everything's cool.
Alright. It's the back of a
I don't
Cummins.
see any signs of a rear main leaking, so it must be my oil pan.
What's all that wear right here?
Where?
Yeah, you see in the middle of the flywheel? Yeah.
That could be,
Well, the torque converter is definitely hitting it.
it was, right?
That could be that noise that we were hearing too.
I don't know. From flex, maybe? Oh, shit.
That vibration.
We'll have to ask Grandpa. It's not bad, I mean...
Well, we can pop this off.
What?
This.
No, that's welded.
No, not the torque converter off the shaft.
Yeah, I know that. I have to drain it.
Yeah. Alright, well, we'll catch you guys when we
This
get this in
wasn't
the
bad, though.
backyard.
It's not bad wear.
Pulled the headlights out. These are going to be for, while the truck's down, I was like, you know, might as well. I got something planned for these. You'll see in a future video. But this right here, yeah. So we heard the noise while pulling it, and I'm pretty sure that was the noise we heard. So
I'm supposed to do that.
I think we snapped the input shaft, because this one should be for the pump. This is to turn everything inside, if I'm correct, because I paid attention in school. So right here, that, as you can see, when we turn this, right now the trans is in neutral, so the back's supposed to turn.
Actually, no.
And it's not neutral?
Trans is in park. Or, let me, grab a pair of, let me see. Unlock it.
I thought it was in neutral.
No. I just took the linkage off.
So,
One.
2. Reverse neutral.
Yeah.
Reverse.
Oh no, that was I'm sorry. Reverse.
Neutral. Alright. Is the back spinning?
No.
Hey, you're turning me. Yeah, you're turning me.
Is it moving?
Yeah, it's moving.
Yeah, but you could hold the center. You shouldn't be able to hold the center.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can hold.
Yeah, that's not supposed to be.
Oh, yeah, look. So I'm turning it the way that the... Yeah. So, snap the input shaft. Because you were turning me this way.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
See now, but if you hold it,
Yeah.
that was the sound we were hearing while we were pulling it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Definitely. 100%. 100% snap the input shaft. So that's what happened. That was that pop I heard. That pop and bang. Alright. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Part 2 will be coming out soon with the new transmission, putting the new one in, installing and all that. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, don't get a Cummins unless you got money. Catch you in the next one.
Spinning like gaga, walking the roof smell like Zaza. Why they some imposters? I get money, that's on my roster. Shmutty, like gaga, boy, you can get pop.